So now, if you want her to move through space, you can imagine that she quantum teleports.
Right.
Okay? I don't know if you knew this, but if you put water in a glass, it can't get out because the glass has walls.
Right.
So the walls are boundaries between the location of the water and the table.
Right.
Does it make sense that if the walls were not there, the water would then settle down and spill all over the table?
Absolutely.
That's obvious.
Of course.
So what that means is the water has a lower energy state it could occupy, but the walls are preventing it.
Okay.
Because if you move the walls, the water won't stay there. It goes on its own.
Right.
It's called a lower energy state. Okay. Oh, by the way, the table is higher than the ground. If you put a crack in the table, it'll go through the table and hit the ground.
Right.
It prefers to be even on the ground.
Right.
Than it does to be on the top of the table. Than it did to be in your water glass. Okay. Quantum mechanically, you can trap a particle with the walls of a glass. It's a energy well.
Okay.
Okay. You can trap it there. Well, sorry. Let's look at just the water, or a marble stuck in a little skateboard park, and the marble can roll up and down.
Back
okay?
and forth.
Back and forth. There it is.
Right.
It's not leaving. Okay. If you want it to leave, push it with fast enough energy so it goes over the top and then it goes down to ground level.
Right.
But you have to give it energy to get over that barrier.
Right.
To then escape. And now it escapes. Okay, watch. It turns out because particles can also be waves. The particle that's trapped in the well is also a wave that exists not only everywhere in the well, parts of that wave exist outside the well. So the particle has a chance, a small chance of existing outside of the well, a very high chance of existing in the well. So most of the times you look at the particle is inside the well. Every now and then it escapes.
It's outside.
Correct.
Right.
To watch it escapes instantly. It breaks through the barrier, and no matter the width of that barrier, it goes from one side of the barrier to the other in 0 time.
Right.
So if she has control over the quantum continuum, she can then it's called tunneling. She could tunnel through any space barrier and be wherever she wants in the universe instantaneously.
So she would be, in effect, entangled with the entire universe.
Very clever. Yes. That would be a way to have her move through space in the way that she does.
Wow.
She would be quantum entangled with every location in the universe,
right.
so that she could then materialize herself wherever she needs to be.
Wow.
Having tunneled there through these barriers. Correct.
That's pretty wild.